Hey guys and gals, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. In my previous video, I told you that the price action was getting bounced from the support of the rising wedge pattern, and there was a big hurdle that I told you in my previous video that it will be a very big hurdle for the price line to cross up, because this is the weekly time period chart, and this is the 100 simple moving average, and definitely the 100 simple moving average on the weekly time period chart is a very strong resistance. Now I'm playing this chart. I shared this article on the TradingView and in the form of video with you guys as well on 28th of October. Now we can see that the price action moved down back at the support, and now it is again likely to take another bounce from the support. Now if we take a look at the live weekly chart, then this 100 simple moving average is continuously moving down. At this time it is likely to cross down very soon the candlesticks. If the candlestick will be able to cross up and this 100 simple moving average will be able to cross down the candlesticks, and it will provide a support to the price action, then it can be a really very massive move. And we also have the support of the 50 simple moving average, and if this 50 simple moving average will move more up and form a bull cross or golden cross with 100 simple moving average on the long-term weekly chart, then it can even lead the price line to break out this resistance of the wedge as well, because that will be a really very powerful support for the price line to have the 150 simple moving average supports and the bull cross between the 50 and the 100 simple moving averages. Because whenever the smaller time period moving average crosses up the bigger time period moving average, that is a very, very powerful buying signal. And definitely after that bull cross, many buyers and traders will enter and buy more and more XLM and lead the price action to break out this resistance of the rising wedge pattern. Even though this is considered as a bearish reversal pattern most of the times, after hitting at the resistance, the price action breaks down the support of the rising wedge pattern. But if we will have these supports just below the price action, then we can expect a breakout from the resistance rather to break down. Now if we take a look on this long-term weekly chart on the different indicators and the oscillators as well, for example, this is the RSI, and we can see that it is again turning up from the center of this body of the RSI. And if we take a look at the trend of the RSI, then it is still in the uptrend. That is really very positive gesture that is showing that the price action can break down or break out this resistance of the rising wedge pattern. And if we take a look at the MACD indicator, then it has started turning bullish. We can see that previously it was a strong bearish, and now it is turning bullish, and soon we can expect that it will be turned bullish like it was turned here and here as well. And if we take a look on the momentum indicator, I'm just waiting for this indicator. That is really very important, because once it will give us at least the weak bearish signals like it gave here, and after that it turned bullish, then we can expect that a very strong rally to the upside that can lead the price action to break out this resistance of the rising wedge pattern. Very soon we can expect that move. And in this video I'm going to tell you that if the price action will break out this resistance of the rising wedge pattern, what can be our targets in that situation. But before that, I want to show you some more indications and the support and resistance levels on the smaller time period chart, that is the daily chart. Before that, we can also observe that the price action has a little bit sideways move at this support, and if it will be moved in this angle to the upside and at least up to this resistance of the rising wedge pattern, then we can expect a move up to 13.5 cents. Because it is moving in this angle, we can see that we have a sideways move, and from here, if we will have a bullish divergence like it turned bullish here, then we can expect a move up to 13.5 or maybe up to 14 cents. Now if we take a look on the smaller time period chart on the daily chart, then the price action is moving at above the support of 8 cents, and it is likely to found a very, very strong support above the 8 cents, and this 100 simple moving average is also crossing down, likely to cross down the candlestick like we have the position here. On the weekly chart, we have very strong position. The moving average has almost crossed down. If we switch this candlestick pattern from Heikin-Ashi to simple candlesticks, then we can see that the 100 has almost crossed down the candlesticks. At this time, it is finalizing its movement. And if we change this 50 simple moving average from 50 to 25 to watch the little bit faster movement or predict what the 50 simple moving average can do in the near future, then we can see that on the 25 simple moving average time period, it has already crossed up the 100 simple moving average. That is a very strong bullish signal on the long term. So we can expect that soon the 50 simple moving average will also cross up the 100 simple moving average as well. So now here on the daily chart, the 50 simple moving average is also moving up. We have the 200 simple moving average, and this is the real golden cross if it will be happen between the 50 and the 200 simple moving average. That can invite many professional traders to jump into the Stellar coin, because this 50 and 200 simple moving, the golden cross between the 50 and 200 simple moving averages, especially on the daily chart, is a very attractive gesture or an indicator, positive indicator of buying signal among the traders community. It is considered. And now I'm expecting that this 8 cents support will be working as a very strong support. It will be now difficult for the price line to break down this support. However, I've set my stop loss here at this 50 simple moving average. This is still my stop loss, because if it will be broken down, then we can expect that it can turn really very bearish. I'll definitely tell you where it can go if it will be broken down. Now, if we take a look at the Ichimoku cloud, that is really very strong indicator to determine whether the price action is going to break out or break down any pattern. So on the daily chart, we have seen that the lagging span previously was moving down, but now it is moving up again, and the price action is likely to break out this bearish cloud. At this time, it is having a resistance of this bearish cloud, but once it will be broken out, then we will have a strong support of this bullish cloud. As we can see that the Ichimoku cloud has turned bullish. That is really very strong bullish signal. And we are also going to have a bull cross or a golden cross between the conversion line and the baseline as well. Let me remove this price action from here. It will be easy for you then to watch this move. Now we can see even we have received this bull cross. The conversion line has crossed up this baseline. So this is a really very strong bullish signal if this cross is formed just below the candlestick. So I was waiting for this bull cross, and it is formed, finally formed. So we can expect that now this conversion line and baseline will help the price line to cross up or break out from this cloud, and then we can expect that it can, the XLM can be one of the top altcoin that will join the Bitcoin rally as well, and even it can turn maybe more bullish than the Bitcoin, because if we place we try to watch the targets as per rising wedge pattern from this tail of the pattern up to this support, then we can expect that after breakout a very imminent move can be expected up to this level, and that can be, let me just show you where it can move. It can be up to approximately at 20 cents very soon if it will break out this level. However, at this time I'm expecting that soon, within the November or within up till the end of the November, it can move up to this level that is almost at 13.5 and 14 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video, guys, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. Take care. Goodbye.